cable here, and we got ourselves a nice motherboard, pretty heavy. And we got another here. I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of reader. Let's see what's in there. Motherboard. And then we have the fan for the copper bearing motor pile. And some more cabling. And a pile of garbage. So that's about it for taking everything apart. So I'm gonna do a quick sort of all of this. Put some values, look at all that wonderfulness. So I'm gonna take some time, go over all of this, and then get back to you with what the value is on all of this. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so this is the final part of the video. It's been a long day of taping. So we got a bunch of aluminum stuff. This top cover is aluminum. We got the batteries here. We got processors and memory here. We got a bunch of cable, some copper bearing motors. We got the DVD drives. We got 3 hard drives. We got the boards. Some are Goldfinger boards. Some are considered peripheral because of their gold content. Then we have these wonderful pieces here, the screens, and you have the keyboards. So I checked the keyboards out. They're about 14 each. Let me put this up here. We can go through everything, weigh everything, and see what's going on. Sorry about that. So, like I was saying, we have to write this down. We have the 3 keyboards. They sell at 15, so after fees, shipping, whatever else there is, we'll put them at 5 each. That's great. So we have these hard drives. I haven't tested them, but I'm pretty sure they work. 80 gigs, I sell them for 10. 160, I sell for 10. And 320s, I keep, but usually I sell for 15. So, at 10 bucks, we'll say 5 each profit. The 160 and the 80. Let's put this on the side. The 320 I keep, but I usually, like I said, I sell them for 15, so they'll be more closer to like 10 bucks profit.